Hey, what's going on guys? Kelechi here and welcome back to my channel. So starting off with the front facing camera of the OPPO A15s. This device is quite impressive and I love the picture quality. So this is my full review of the OPPO A15s. Hold your thoughts guys and let me know what you think about this device at the end of this video. Without further ado, let's go. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video and welcome back to my channel. So this is the OPPO A15s, an affordable smartphone you can buy at the price of 73,000 naira or $189, especially if you're on a tight budget and you're needing something that will keep you going, or perhaps you don't want to stay off social media trendies. This is the OPPO A15, a very good budget device. Please give this video a thumbs up, and if you're watching this video for the first time, this is my review, my full review of the OPPO A15s. Please hit on that red subscribe button and turn the bell icon for post notifications from this channel. So the OPPO A15 comes with a lot of hype, especially because of its specifications, and also it is to replace the OPPO A53. That could be true in such a way. Of course, I did make a comparison video between the OPPO A15 and the Tecno Spark Go 2020 right here on the channel. So probably if you have not seen that video yet, after watching this video, the link is below so you can check it out. You also have the 3GB RAM, and also this is a 4GB RAM option. For a smartphone that costs 73,000 naira or $189, what and what do you get, or what's inside the box when you purchase your new OPPO A15s? So this is the same retail box you get when you purchase the OPPO A15s. And I love the packaging. You don't get to see the phone first, just immediately. When you open the box, you have first an envelope, and inside the envelope is a SIM ejector pin attached. Next, you have a manual for the phone. One is in English and the other has other languages. Then you have a rubber transparent case for the phone. Next, you have the OPPO A15s with the specs boldly labeled. And then next, you have a 15-volt charging brick or adapter, and then the micro USB cable for charging and also connectivity. There is no earpiece alongside, so you need to get one for yourself. So this is what the OPPO A15s looks like, and I have the dynamic black color. This smartphone is slim and light and has a single tone finish that makes it glossy. A very impressive device. If I have the OPPO A15 and the OPPO A15s right here, you will struggle a bit to differentiate between both devices because there is no difference between both of them. What really sets them apart is the color option. And for me, the OPPO A15s is quite matured. You have a square camera module behind that houses 3 cameras and a capacitive fingerprint sensor. Flip to the bottom, there is a 3.5mm headphone jack, a noise cancellation mic, a micro USB port, and a speaker grill. On the right side, you have the volume button keys and the power button. And then you have a triple card slot for 2 nano SIMs and a micro SD card. The OPPO A15s feels good handy. It is not a heavy device and I love the flexibility of the screen. It's a 6.52 inches display that delivers HD Plus output. It is an LCD screen that refreshes at 60 Hz and also have a resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels. The display is really not great, but it is decent enough to view all content. The view is obstructed by the water drop notch that houses the selfie camera, and the bezels below is quite noticeable, but not in a bad way. Besides viewing contents on YouTube, I also enjoy gaming on the OPPO A15s. It refreshes smoothly without laggings, thanks to the MediaTek Helio P35 chipset here. Even though it's an entry-grade processor, the 4GB of RAM here improves the performance. It is an octa-core system with the PowerVR GE8320 chip for graphics. The storage capacity is a 64GB internal memory, so you can add up to 256GB or 128GB micro SD card. This phone is a smooth operator. It comes with Android version 10 based on ColorOS 7.2, and you can actually upgrade to the latest version, so you can receive new features and also customizations. Next, you have a 4230 mAh battery on the OPPO A15s. For me, it's a typical 4000 mAh battery that takes 1 hour 30 to 45 minutes to charge from 0 to 100%. This phone's display feels like the Nokia 6.2 Pure display in a way. The flexibility is quite commendable and I enjoy scrolling through social media trendies, and even when I'm surfing the internet. This phone is not slow in any way. but do not expect too much compared to other devices. It can carry out your daily task responsively, and multitasking is also flexible. So for a device that costs 73,000 naira or $189, how good is the camera? The OPPO A15s has an AI triple camera lens, and the main lens is a 13 megapixel, 2 megapixel macro and a 2 megapixel depth, with features like the portrait mode. And when you click more, you have the other pro features and also the night mode. So the picture quality for me is 60% okay. Colors are slightly dispersed, but still accurate. There is saturation and the contrast level is not so good, but decent enough for social media posts. It records and shoots at 1080p and also 720p at 30 frames per second, but the color reproduction is okay. On the front, it has an 8 megapixel lens and the selfie picture quality is good, especially in good light conditions. So what is good and what is bad about the OPPO A15s? Is it a recommendable device? Should you buy this smartphone or you should look the other way around? Buy this smartphone if you're on a budget. At 73,000 naira or $189, it is cheap and also affordable. But if you need something with a massive display and also looking out to get the best photography experience from a smartphone, this is not your phone. All you have to do is increase your budget and make other choices. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Please give this video a thumbs up, like and share this video as well. And if you're new to my channel, before you leave, please hit on that red subscribe button and turn the bell for post notifications. Till I see you again, peace.